A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Jamaican dollar gained against the U.S. currency for a 16th straight day on Wednesday. At the end of trading, the U.S. dollar was selling for $128.43, and that price is still a 3-month low. The Canadian dollar costs $99.37. The pound sterling is going for $165.93, while the euro goes for $147.58. Consumers are to face pain at the pumps this week after a months-long respite. But by how much will those prices move? Dashan Hendricks is at the Smart Board and gives us the details.
Well, doing after 4 straight weeks of declines in the price of petroleum, Petroleum today says it will be increasing the price of all motor fuel. Let's start first with both E1087 and E1090 gasoline. Both will be increasing this week by $1.49, and this increase brings the price of both grades of gasoline to the highest they have been in about a month. The price of diesel goes up as well. Regular diesel goes up by $1.64, but the low sulfur variety increases by $1.69. The price of kerosene, it increases as well, going up this week by $1.13, but butane cooking gas increases by 99 cents. It's back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. In the meantime, the price of oil suffered its biggest decline in a month as it fell by $1.94. Now that dip brought it to $45.13 a barrel on the markets. Now, the Consumer Affairs Commission, the CAC, has given itself until the end of this year to sort out compensation for consumers who were affected by the bad gas saga almost 2 years ago. CAC Chairman Kent Gammon made the commitment as he addressed the media today. Dashan Hendricks reports.
It's more than a year and a half now since the bad gas saga emerged in Jamaica. Motorists purchasing petrol complained it was damaging their engines, but of the seeming thousands of complaints, only 382 were filed officially with the Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC. 224 of those have been found to be bona fide so far by the Island Traffic Authority.
Once we get the 100% verification, the ministers agreed, incidentally, to have this meeting with the stakeholders. And I think once we get that, I'm going to do the best I can in negotiations. And I think once we get that going, we can get a resolution at that stage with the Petroleum Marketing Association and the other stakeholders, Total and Rubis, etc., and even the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica.
The CAC Chairman Kent Gammon said the organization is in constant dialogue with the petroleum marketers over the issue of compensation for those who were affected. Compensation claims stand at $32 million. Mr. Gammon says he wants to wrap up that issue before the end of this year.
And we really want to get this issue put to bed, and I really believe that they want the issue to be put to bed as well, in all fairness to them. So I think once we get the ITA to comply with that side of the equation, getting the verification done 100%, then I think we can, I don't want to give the media any more timelines, but hopefully we can get something in the next 2 quarters maximum.
He said he wants the compensation to be dealt with without involving the courts, but stressed the CAC reserves the right to pursue that course if it needs to. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
And the main JSE Market Index gained more than 115 points today, while the Junior Market Index fell 31 points. The winners of the day, they included 1834 Investments, Cable and Wireless, Carreras, Knutsford Express, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Berger Paints, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, Kingston Properties, Lasco Financial, the NCB Financial Group, the Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.